ating first quarter. Ayan, ganahan getting that first free throw.
And they should maximize every ball possession on their side because again, every ball possession counts para dito sa ating knockout quarterfinals match. Again, maya-maya po abangan natin ang iba't ibang games pa dito sa Bucal Season 6.
No, gonna that second attempt by ganahan. Now, jersey number 15. Loria. Nagmamadali Loria. Almost an in and out ball. Pero a good spin on that shot by Loria. Now Dahero. Nahihirapan talagang tumawid dito, Rick. Ito ang ating Genesis Rolling Lines. Now ganahan, di diretso dito. Pero makakakuha na naman dito ng 2 free throws. Itong si Ryan Ganahan of the Genesis Rolling Lions. Grabe, back-to-back free throws for both of these teams.
Now, Genesis Roaring Lions, kailangang ipasok dito ang mga free throw opportunity because again, sila ang naghahabol dito. 26-9, medyo malaki-laki na po ang kailangang habulin dito on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions.
Ayan, syempre, Rick, nandyan rin yung ating napakagandang commentator of One Media TV48 Naga. We have here Christine Reyes. Also, Jinky Nueva and Si Ching Bon.
Ayan, talagang kitang-kita natin ang suporta mapa live stream and even dito sa loob ng Ateneo Naga Gymnasium. Talagang full support. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa Bucal Season 6.
A long pass. Murillo. Grabing game plan yun, Rick. Long pass, then shot. Grabe, let's see naman yung bawing gagawin dito ng ating Rolling Lions, but still coming from Jacob. Now Murillo once again getting short, but a whistle coming from our officials. Kakakuha nga dito ng 2 free throws itong si Murillo on the NCF Cubs. Ayan, shout out muna tayo dito sa coaches and players of ACLC Hawks, also to Kian Donya and Archie Alforte. Happy viewing po. And of course, Rick, hindi natin pwedeng kalimutan yung ating mga sponsors. We have the Naga College Foundation, Gold Gloffa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear Apparel, Garden Café, Naga yung Travel Tours, Naga yon Live Your Dreams, Create Memories. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pag-support.
Now, Roaring Lions on the offense. They need to convert a point at this moment. Ganahan, heavily guarded here by Jacob. And a foul was called on Loria on that last sequence. Now, Punzalan on that free throw opportunity. Basket for that first attempt. Let's see on the second attempt kung magkakaroon pa ba dito ng additional points ang side ng Roaring Lions. But no good. The ball possession will go on the side of the Cubs.
Now, NCF Cubs. Diamante, but still coming from Ryan Ganahan. Now, Ryan Ganahan, didiretso, getting that 2-pointer. And magandang bawi yun, Rick, on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. 29-13, 16 points lead of the NCF Cubs as we are on the first quarter. Ayan, 1 minute and 25 seconds remaining na lamang po for our first quarter, and napatawag na nga dyan ng timeout itong si Coach Alwin Margalio of the NCF Cubs. Let's see kung ano yung gagawing adjustments nila dito since parang nakahanap doon ng magandang game plan itong ating Genesis Roaring Lions na makounter yung depensa at yung offense ang ginagawa nitong ating NCF Cubs. Now, let's see kung magiging effective ba yung kanilang adjustments dito.
And back to the ball game. Now again, nagpaparamdam na dito si Ganahan on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Again, a player to look out para dito sa kanilang koponan. Now, they need to step up big time if they want steal the lead or catch the lead na hawak ngayon ng ating NCF Cubs.
And also, happy viewing to Sir Mario Villanueva, the president of the NCF, the Naga College Foundation. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta, most especially to the NCF community.
Ayan, talagang full support naman dito ang NCF community. That's why ganado dito ang kanilang players. 29-13 on our scoreboard and the lead is still on the side of the NCF Cubs. Now, it's their ball possession. Rather, Genesis ball possession. Now,
Monpon Banwa. Still coming from Diamante, libreng-libre dito. Parang may pupuntahan itong ating NCF Cubs pag sila'y nagdadala ng bola.
Yes, talagang nagmamadali and securing that point conversion on their side. Now, 31-13, baliktaran sa ating scoreboard. What a clear domination para dito sa first quarter on the side of the NCF Cubs. Now, we are down to our 50 seconds para dito sa first quarter.
Turnover dito on the side of the NCF Cubs. Ball possession of the NCF Cubs now. Jersey number 7.
Murillo, heavily guarded by Ganahan. Nagmamadali, pero no good. Now, chance for the Genesis Roaring Lion here to score. Ganahan with his own version of that fast break, pero hindi pumasok.
Makakakuha nga dito ng 2 free throws. Ryan Ganahan with 27 dito sa ating first quarter. Grabe, napakagandang tagpo dito sa ating first game, Rick. Let's see kung ano pa yung ipapakita nitong dalawang teams na ito for our second quarter and syempre sa ating second half. Grabe. And that's good for that second attempt of Ryan Ganahan.
27 seconds remaining for our first quarter. Now, Murillo to inbound para dito sa ating NCF Cubs. Looking for his teammate, Jacob. Looking for his teammate. Heavily guarded here by the Roaring Lions. Diamante to Sudpin. Losing that ball. So the ball possession will go on the side of the Genesis.
Now, ball possession of the Roaring Lions. Ryan Ganahan dito. Has it to Yucampo. Now swings it to Ponzalan. Almost getting that 2-pointer. And the same ball possession pa rin tayo dito on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Now, Ganahan to inbound. To Abache. Almost getting that layup. Now the NCF Cubs have the chance here, but that's the end of our first quarter. 31-15 in favor of the NCF Cubs. Diyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami for the second quarter only here on Uragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
the basketball action continues para dito sa ating match. We have the NCF Cubs versus the Genesis Roaring Lions, and we are in our second quarter. 31-15 ang ating naiwang score on our scoreboard, and still naghahabol po dito ang Genesis Roaring Lions.
Siyempre kami pa rin po ang inyong makakasama, Jasper Abante and Drake Puerta, dito sa ating second quarter, and almost getting that triple by Ryan Ganahan of the Genesis Roaring Lions, now dancing. Sunpin and Bernales kanina, but almost a loose ball. Diamante getting that pull-up jumper, and that's good for the NCF Cubs.
So again, Diamante doing great on the side of the NCF Cubs for that sunod-sunod na point conversion. Now,
Yung
great
campo,
steal.
but still coming from Sutpin. Now Diamante to Morelio. An easy play. Grabe, Rick. Wala pa ditong bawi. Another steal coming from Diamante. Now, no good on that shot by Hako, pero hindi siya dito papayag na hindi makapag-convert ng puntos. A 6-0 run dito sa ating second quarter for the NCF Cubs. Now, an alley-oop play. Grabe, what a play by Bernales and Ganahan.
now Diamante tatawid ang bola on the side of their team. Heavily guarded here. Diamante to Sutpin. 10 seconds to shoot. What a turn, pero no good on that attempt. Now, Genesis.
Ayan at makakakuha dito ng 2 free throws itong si Ryan Ganahan after that foul committed by jersey number 15. And this time, Rick, let's have an update from our courtside reporter Kyla on the side of the NCF Cubs. Kyla, take it away.
Thank you, Rick and Jasper. We are now on the second quarter of this matchup. During the huddle, the coaches commended their effort because they poured out a lot to gain the momentum. Their everyday training and consistency really helps them to be consistent in their play. Ang gandang aggressiveness nga din ang kanilang pinapakita to really get the advantage for this game. Coaches reminds them na basahin palagi ang depensa ng kalaban at laging mag-stick sa depensa na siniset ni Coach Alwin. Huwag na huwag din magmamadali. And of course, kahit na nakakalamang na, hindi pwedeng maging complacent dahil nagsisimula pa lang ang kita na laban. Ng Tigers, balik sa inyo, just ready.
Ayan, thank you so much, Kyla, for that update. Now, very aggressive talaga itong NCF Cubs. Para dito sa araw na ito, they want to secure their spot on that Final Four position, and gusto nilang ibalik sa Francia ang corona dito sa Juniors Division ng Bucal Season 6. So, a much-awaited performance pa para dito sa Cubs as this game progresses. Now, on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions, kanina pa tayo naghahanap dito ng sagot. But speaking of sagot, what a great 3-pointer para dito sa ating NCF Cubs. And another steal, Borromeo, libreng-libre, but no good on that attempt.
That's a missed opportunity, but a slip coming from Ganahan, and a steal from jersey number 13. Wala pa rin, pero di dito papayag si jersey number 12, Vargas, na hindi nila maipasok yung 2-pointer nila doon. Now, nahihirapan dito. Roaring Lions getting that 2-pointer. And speaking of the Roaring Lions, Rick, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter Casey on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Casey, anong update natin dyan?
Rick and Jasper, we're now in the second quarter at mukhang nahirapang pantayan ng Roaring Lions ang matibay na depensang nakita ng NCF Cubs. Cubs during the first quarter. For this quarter nga ay kailangang bawasan ng Roaring Lions ang kanilang turnovers at mas paghusayin ang ball movement upang makabawi at makahabol sa laro. Sabi nga ni Coach Alden, huwag kayong matakot, kayang-kaya natin to. Let's see if the Roaring Lions can channel this confidence and turn the game in their favor. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey, on that update from the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. And ayun na nga narinig natin, lessen the turnovers and improve yung kanilang ball movement dito as the NCF Cubs holding a 24 points lead. Ayan, 24-point lead. Medyo malaki-laki na ito for the Genesis Roaring Lions. They have to channel in yung advice dito ni Coach Alden of the Roaring Lions with 6 minutes and 36 seconds remaining sa ating second quarter. Ayan, let's see kung ano nga ba talaga yung pagbawing gagawin dito ang ating Roaring Lions. Now, Dahero, well-guarded Dahero, double team Dahero. And almost a deflection, but the shot clock expires for the Genesis Roaring Lions. Now, Cubs with that ball possession. And a full court man-to-man trapping defense.
Ball possession will go on the side of the Cubs. Vargas to inbound. Passing the ball to Diamante.
Now Diamante well guarded here by Abache.
Sadulio passing the ball to Vargas.
Now Vargas well guarded here. And a traveling violation committed by the NCF Cubs. Syempre, Rick, traveling is more fun with Naga. Travel and tours now. A couple of substitutions here. Loria checked in for the NCF Cubs. Now, ball possession dito ng ating Genesis Roaring Lions. Now, Yocampo. What a spin by jersey number 7. But a steal.
Now NCF with an opportunity. Vargas to Sadulio. No good.
Grabe. Now, Punzalan checked in for the Genesis Roaring Lions. Still, 24-point lead ang hawak dito ng ating NCF Cubs rather. Now, grabe talaga yung depensa. Sasabayan pa yan ng foul. A 3-point play opportunity once again for the NCF Cubs. Let's take a look once again, Rick. Medyo nahirapan dong pumasok itong si Punzalan para makatawid. And a steal and a layup coming from Vargas. Ngayon naman, 3 points play opportunity on the side of the NCF Cubs.
Vargas. Another clean basket for him. And a timeout was called on the side of the NCF Cubs. 47-20 on our scoreboard. And again, hindi talaga dito nagkakaroon ng chance ang ating Genesis Roaring Lions because of the aggressiveness shown on the side of the NCF Tigers. So they need to adjust their game plan at this moment.
Ayan, let's see kung ano yung gagawin nila ditong adjustments sa timeout na naitawag ng ating NCF Cubs with 27 points. Yung kanilang hawak na kalamangan dito as we are about to approach the midway for our second quarter. Grabe yung tagpo natin dito, Rick. Let's see kung makakabawi itong ating Genesis Roaring Lions with that 27 big points. And the timeout is now consumed.
Now, Genesis Roaring Lions, 3 minutes and 34 seconds remaining. 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 3 minutes and 34 seconds paulit-ulit natin tanong dito, paano ba dito magagawa ng paraan para mahabol itong double-digit lead na hawak ng ating NCF Tigers? Let's see. After the timeout, it's their ball possession. Cusinero to inbound.
Now, Yukamko to Dahero. Dahero nahihirapang tumawid dito. Now, out of bounds as the Genesis Roaring Lions will take that ball possession. Grabe. Parang ayaw ng patawirin itong ating NCF Cubs. Itong ating Genesis Roaring Lions sa kanilang front court. Grabe. The NCF crowd is continuing to be wild. Now, Dahero on the side of the Roaring Lions ngayon. Well guarded by Ike. Double team Dahero. But Dahero hands it to Nieva. Now Dahero for three. Getting that triple on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. That's a good bawi, Rick.
And now Borromeo, derecho, no good. Second chance point sana, pero wala pa din dito. Now, another chance.
That's an illegal carrying of the ball, Rick. And a turnover here on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Medyo maganda yung defensive rebounds itong ating Genesis Roaring Lions. Nakita naman natin doon. Nieva secured that ball and the pass to Yukamko. Now let's see Vargas on the inside. Once again, Vargas. To jersey number 13, Borromeo. Grabe, heavily guarded here by Nieva. Talagang bantay sarado ni Nieva yung paint. And that's a timeout called by Coach Alden, the head coach of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Ayan. Grabe yung depensa at opensa nitong dalawang teams na ito. Let's see kung saan kaya sila nito dadalhin. Will the NCF Tigers secure the spot for the semifinals or will it be the Genesis Roaring Lions? Maya-maya lamang ay malalaman na natin yan. But dito sa ating first half, it's in favor of the NCF Cubs. Well, let's see kung makakabawi nga ba itong ating Genesis Roaring Lions. And as we can see, dyan sa inyong screen, we have here the crowd of the NCF community. Ayan, to support the NCF Cubs dito sa kanilang quarterfinal knockout match. And also on the other side, we have here the Genesis community. Ayan.
Two big crowds para sa araw na ito. Now, back to the ball game. Vargas, or rather Ike to inbound. Dahero, libreng-libre with that layup. At tuwang-tuwa dito ang fans ng Genesis Roaring Lions. Now, another opportunity para dito sa ating Genesis Roaring Lion.
Still a double-digit lead ang hawak dito ng ating NCF Cubs. Now Dahero hands it to Monpon Banwa. Now Monpon Banwa on the corner. Dahero, well guarded here Dahero. Nahihirapan sila ditong pumasok as the shot clock is about to expire. And no good on that. Now the NCF Cubs once again. Ike looking for a good opportunity here. Now Ike, di diretso dito. Well guarded Ike. No good on that attempt. But still coming from jersey number 4. Grabe. Patuloy ang pagpuntos dito ng ating NCF Cubs.
The connection between the players on the side of the NCF Cubs.
Matatawagan nga dito ng pushing foul itong si jersey number 13. Let's take a look once again dito sa ating instant replay. Grabe. What an alley-oop play pala yun, Rick. And
Outplaying the players on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Now, Monponbano with that long three. No good. Peña securing that offensive rebound. Dahero, 10 seconds to shoot.
almost a deflection coming from Borromeo ng Monponbawa. Ayan nga at matatawagan dito ng blocking foul itong si jersey number 3 of the NCF Cubs, De Los Vierges. Checking in for the Cubs, also Diamante.
No, napakaganda dito ng pinapakita ng ating Genesis Roaring Lion. But again, when it comes to their offense, medyo nahihirapan sila ditong maipasok yung mga attempts. That's why NCF Cubs talagang bantay sarado dito.
Well, the NCF Cubs has to be safe sa kanilang depensa at syempre sa kanilang opensa dahil they are on the penalty situation na, and this will give the Genesis Roaring Lions a big opportunity pagdating sa free throws, and maaaring makalamang or mabawasan yung kanilang kalamangan dito sa ating first half. Now, 3 minutes with a pull-up jumper coming from Aike, but no good on that. Now, Punzalan to Ganahan, now to Nieva, now to Peña. Peña on the outside. Nahihirapan pa rin sila ditong pumasok. Now, Peña, almost a loose ball, but nandyan si Punzalan. Ganahan rather. No good on that pull-up jumper. Ayun na nga yung sinasabi ko, Rick. Another free throw opportunity here for the Genesis Roaring Lions after that foul committed by jersey number 4.
Punzalan. Basket on the last attempt. Now a chance for the Tigers here to score. Sutpin. Heavily guarded here ang ating NCF Cubs. Sutpin fires for that one. No good. Now Ganahan. Nagmamadali for that fast break. No good. Offensive rebound dito para sa kanilang kupunan. Wala pa din. Third attempt, no good. And a traveling violation was called on the side of the NCF Cubs. And now, down to our 2 minutes of this first half. And still, abante pa rin dito ang NCF Cubs. But the ball possession will go on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions.
Grabe, Rick, yung hiyawan nitong dalawang big crowds na ito. Now, Monponbanwa getting that 2 points. And ayun na nga, Rick, still a double-digit lead pero naibaba na nila this time sa 19 points. Grabe. Magandang momentum on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Well, let's see kung paano nila yan ipapagpatuloy. Ayun na nga, and another whistle here. Natawagan dyan ng foul itong si Monponbanwa of the Genesis Roaring Lions with 1 minute and 42 seconds remaining sa ating first half. Ayan, Punzalan with that steal. Now Peña, well-guarded Peña, but A kick ball by Peña, and the ball will go on the side of the NCF Cubs.
Napakaganda ngayon ng ginagawa on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lion. They are pressuring right now ang side ng NCF Cubs. That's why nahihirapan ditong magkaroon ng point conversion. Now, Ike with the ball on the side of the NCF Cubs.
Nahihirapan dito Borromeo with that offensive foul. Borromeo matatabagan siya ng offensive foul. And the ball will go on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. With Monpon Banwa to inbound. 1 minute and 23 seconds remaining for our first half.
And now, another opportunity for this Roaring Lion squad. Their momentum talagang hinahawakan nila at kinakapitan itong ating second quarter. Now, Ganahan, nagmamadali dito.
Pull-up jumper, and that's good for the Genesis Roaring Lions. Dagdagan pa natin yan, Rick, ng 2 points. Now, NCF Cubs, Sutpin, well-guarded Sutpin. Now, Ike, the jersey number 11, Adelo Vieres, also getting that easy layup. And that's good for the NCF Cubs. Now, Monpon Banwa once again for the Genesis Roaring Lions, and makakakuha nga dito ng shooting foul with 45 seconds on the game clock. Siyempre, Rick, pasalamatan na muna natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Naga College Foundation, Gold Gloffa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Café, Nagayon Travel and Tours, NCF V Gallery and Museum, Tigers Café, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Firing Range, and of course, Bucal Season 6 coverage is powered by Converge FiberX, by Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated, and Revenues Communications Incorporated. Now, Genesis with that offensive rebound, and Monpon Banwa will be getting that triple. Grabe, patuloy yung kanilang pagpuntos dito as we are about to end our first half. 35-51, let's take a look once again, Rick, dun sa triple pointer nitong si Monpon Banwa. That's a long 3 and nothing but the net pa nga. A clean basket for Monpon Banwa. Now there's this another chance for the NCF Cubs naman this time. But still, a ball possession dito ng ating Genesis Roaring Lions. Let's see.
26 seconds remaining for our first half, and still the momentum is on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Traveling violation was called on their side. Now, NCF with the basketball.
Now, jersey number 11, Borromeo. Well guarded Borromeo still coming from Ganahan. Ganahan getting that 2-pointer. May kasama pa yung foul. At 3 points play opportunity for Ganahan on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions with 7 seconds on the game clock. Let's take a look once again. Grabe. Parang tinapon niya na lang, Rek, yung bola. But a 3 points play opportunity pa nga for Ganahan. Ayan, 7 seconds on the game clock. Naibaba na nga dito ng ating Genesis Roaring Lions sa 14 points yung kalamangan nitong ating NCF Cubs. Now, Ganahan no good on that 3 points play opportunity, but here comes Punzalan, Monpon Banwa rather. Now, De Lovieres naman, Jamante rather, and that is not counted as we end our first half. And of course, magpapakita po kami ng game highlights for our first half. And we'll be right back after this short halftime break. All here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered NCM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Malakas at protektadong manok, unahin ang kalusugan. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon mula sa BMEG Integra. Katangi-tangi ang formulation nito. Meron itong balanseng protina at energy levels. Importanteng amino acids, bitamina at minerals. Siguradong malakas at protektado ang paglaki ng manok ninyo. Dito ka na sa BMEG Integra. Lakas tibay sa balanseng nutrisyon.
Welcome to Unibersidad de Sta, Isabel, a place where excellence meets service. Here at USI, we empower our students with knowledge and skills and inspire to make a difference. Begin your journey to excellence and service with us.
Eyes on the target because it is time. One target, one mission. Designed for real-world challenges. Unlock your potential today at Naga College Foundation, College of Criminal Justice Education.
And we are back here at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for the second half of action. Bakbakan po yan ng ating NCF Tigers, and also we have here the Genesis Roaring Lions, the ultimate underdogs for Bucal. Season 6 kami pa rin po ang iyong makakasama, Jasper Abante and Rick Puerta, for the second half of action only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga kampiyon. Now here comes Ike, well guarded here by Monpon Barra. Now Vargas with that fake for 3. Now Ike, no good on that layup, but still coming from Borromeo. Now Borromeo dito, well guarded. No good on getting that 2-pointer. Now here comes Monpon Bano, libre on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Makakakuha agad ng 2 points dito sa ating second half. Now jersey number 23, Ike once again. Hands it to Borromeo. Now Borromeo to Vargas. Vargas in double team. Vargas still coming from Ryan Ganahan. Getting that 2 points layup on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. 4-0 run naman on the side of the Roaring Lions dito sa ating third quarter. Now Borromeo. Grabe. What a spin. And an easy layup naman for jersey number 11, Diamante of the NCF Cubs.
Now, great steal on the side of the NCF.
Ang agang napatay nung run itong ating Roaring Lions after that 4 points naman nasagot ng itong ating NCF Cubs. Now Ganahan firing for 3, in and out ball.
Ike passing the ball to Borromeo. No good. Offensive rebound para dito kay Santiago. Now Diamante. Now Diamante on that free throw opportunity, because again, napakaganda dito ng ginagawa ng ating Genesis Roaring Lion. Naibabanan dito ang kalamangan on the side of the Tigers. So yun, kaya happy dito ang fans ng Roaring Lions because of the performance para dito sa kupunan ng Genesis Roaring Lions. Now, One more time for Diamante to add their lead here. And another clean basket. 2 points was added on their side. And I think handang-handa na dito magbalita or i-report kung ano ba ang adjustment na gagawin pa dito ng ating Genesis Roaring Lion. Now, KZ, anong balita dyan?
Rick and Jasper, as the first half unfolded, napanatili ng NCF Cubs ang kanilang kalamangan against the Genesis Roaring Lions. But this did not stop the team's determination dahil naibaba nila ang gap to 14 points as the buzzer sounded. Ngayon, it's all about tightening their defense and putting relentless pressure on the Cubs to force errors and create opportunities. The Roaring Lions are fired up and looking forward to clinching the second half of this game. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Ayan, thank you so much, Casey, for that update. So yun nga, kahit abante dito ang NCF Cubs, talagang ayaw bitawan dito ng side ng Genesis Roaring Lion. Kitang-kita naman on that performance sa ating second quarter. Now, medyo nagkainitan dito ang side ng NCF Tigers and the Genesis Roaring Lions. Let's wait kung ano ba ang magiging tawag dito ng ating officiating officials, and I believe magkakaroon tayo ng review on that last sequence. Ayan, talagang intense na intense, Jasper, dito ang bakbakan ng dalawang kupunan na ito. Pasalamatan muna natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Aman Engineering Enterprise, the Duty Free Philippines, shop at dutyfreephilippines.com.ph, Unibersidad de Sta, BMEG, alagang BMEG, alagang number 1, Department of Agriculture, Bucal, and special thanks also to Wow Worlds of Water, NCF TRC and NCF IMC, Digital Graphics, Biggs, Elise Sportswear and Uniform, HJP Pawn Shop, Havayanas, Ngoen Sons Trading and Industries Incorporated, and Pipocari Sweat. Maraming salamat po.
Grabe yung tagpo natin doon, Rick. That was very hot. And our officials is having a review kung ano nga ba talaga yung nangyari doon and what are the possible violations na pwedeng maitawag doon sa mga players natin. Dahil nakita naman natin yung girean on the side of the Cubs and on the side of the Roaring Lions after that air bump, no, ng ating Genesis Roaring Lions. Now, while we are waiting for the decision of our officials or dun sa ating replay, shoutout muna tayo dito sa ating live viewers via Oragon Sports TV, Facebook Live. We have here Andre Nazareno and Osmar Liena. Happy viewing po sa inyong lahat.
Ayan. Let's wait kung ano ba ang magiging decision dito. And let's take one more time for that instant replay.
Alright, so as we can see, natawagan dito ng double foul si jersey number 23 of the NCF Cubs, while jersey number 27, Ryan Ganahan naman of the Genesis Roaring Lions. And this time, Rick, mukhang ready ng ating courtside reporter na si Kyla to give us an update. Alright, so Kyla, take it away.
Thank you, Rick and Jasper. We are now on the second half of the matchup during the huddle. They are reminded that they are being pressured by their opponent. They need to relax for this quarter and double their effort dahil nakatala kasi na 9 overs during the second quarter. They want to keep the slant na paghawak na ang bola. It just reminds them to focus on their game plan this quarter and keep pressuring the opponents. They need to double their effort to continue on doing their best to give a good offense and defense. Kailangan din ng maayos na passage and have a good ball rotation, good communication sa mass. Magtuloy-tuloy kaya ang momentum sa NCF Cubs. Yan ang ating dapat na mag-aano for now to the panel.
Thank you so much, Kyla, on that update from the side of the NCF Tiger. And ayun na nga, doon sa last sequence na nakita natin, natawagan doon ng traveling violation itong ating NCF Cubs. Siyempre, Rick, traveling is more fun pa rin with Naga Travel and Tours. Now the Genesis Roaring Lions have this opportunity na maibaba muli ang kalamangan na hawak dito ng ating NCF Cubs with that 20 points. Almost a steal but out of bounds as the Genesis Roaring Lions will take that ball possession. Grabe naman yon, Ref Jomar. Nakatingin siya doon sa front court ng NCF but tinuro niya yung court ng ating Genesis Roaring Lions. And ayun na nga, the same ball possession pa rin for the Genesis Roaring Lions. Now yung Camco to inbound. Gahanap dito ng open teammate. Now the Hero for 3. But no good on that 3 by the Hero. Now you Camco once again. The Hero well guarded by Borromeo. Now Bernales on the short corner. Stepping on the line ang itatawag dyan ng ating officials. And turnover here on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Cubs ngayon ang magkakaroon ng ball possession.
Ayan, back to 20-point lead para dito sa NCF Tigers. Talagang iniingatan nila ang 20-point lead na hawak. But 2 shots will be given on the side of the NCF Cubs.
Courtesy of Ike. Ayan, makakakuha dito ng 2 free throws. Let's see kung mababawi ba nitong ating Genesis Roaring Lions yung 20 points na yan dito sa ating NCF Cubs. And ipagpatuloy ang kanilang momentum. Well, we still have our 4th and final quarter. Pero let's see kung ano yung papagitan nitong dalawang teams nito dito sa ating 3rd quarter as Ike putting up 2 points on the side of the NCF Cubs. Now, the Roaring Lions on the run, the Hero, almost a alley-oop play, but no good on that attempt by jersey number 13, Sain. Now Ike once again to Vargas.
Vargas fires for that 3, no good. And the ball possession will go on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Foul was called on Santiago on that last sequence. Now, kailangan ulit ditong ma-activate yung performance na nagawa or naitala dito ng Genesis on that 2nd quarter. Because again, medyo lumolobo na naman ulit dito ang kalamangang hawak ng NCF Tigers. Now, Ganahan, may hawak ng bola, heavily guarded by K-Mins. Too strong on that pass, so crucial turnover para dito sa Roaring Lions. Another opportunity para sa Tigers. Vargas, itatawid ang bola on their side.
And a quick shoutout muna tayo dito kay Osman Lenya, M. Sinfuego, Noah Alden, Cristina Valenzuela, John Gaor, Jonicio Morales, Beth Abache, and Andrew Colokit. Ayan, happy viewing po sa inyong lahat.
And Vargas on that line for an opportunity again. 4 minutes and 54 seconds remaining para sa ating 3rd quarter. And a clean basket for that first attempt para dito kay RD Vargas. One more time for him. No good.
Ayun na nga at napatawag na nga dito ng time out itong ating LA.
Oo, 6 nga.
Ayun, natawagan dito ng technical foul itong ating Genesis Roaring Lions for their 6 players. Kanina nga yun, Rick, at 6 players na yung nandun sa ating hard court. Ayun, at nabigyan doon ng technical free throw itong si Vargas of the NCF Cubs. And this time, napatawag nga dito ng timeout itong ating Genesis Roaring Lions with 4 minutes and 53 seconds on the game clock and 65-41 ang ating running score for the third quarter. And syempre, pasalamatan natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have here the Aman Engineering Enterprise, Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation, Skytech Advertising, owned and managed by Sir Mac Mendoza, Duty Free Philippines, shop at dutyfreephilippines.com.ph. Unibersidad de Sta, Isabel, BMEG, Alagang BMEG, Alagang number 1. And of course, Department of Agriculture, Bicol. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta.
Now back to the ball game. Ball possession will go on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. And a great steal para dito kay Aike. At puntos din para dito sa kanya. What a game para dito kay Aike.
Now, ball possession dito ngayon ng ating NCF Cubs with Aike to inbound. Now, Aike to K-Bins. Now, jersey number 10 for the NCF Cubs. Di diretso dito, pero may traveling violation by jersey number 10. 4 minutes and 13 seconds remaining. Now, ball possession na ng ating Genesis Roaring Lions. Ryan Ganahan. Nahihirapan ditong tumawid, but ang whistle. That was a foul coming from Diamante. Now, Ganahan once again to Monpon Banwa. Monpon Banwa with that pull-up jumper, almost getting that pull-up jumper, but another offensive rebound. And a steal coming from K-Mins. Now, Vargas, nagmamadali dito. No good on that attempt. Now, once again, jersey number 10. No good pa rin for the NCF Cubs. Another, a fourth chance, now the fifth chance. Wala pa rin. And this time, makukuha na ng ating Genesis Roaring Lions. Easy basket coming from jersey number 9, Monpon Banwa of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Now, Aike with a whistle. That was a blocking foul coming from jersey number 73, Abache. Grabe yun, Rick, yung last sequence ng ating NCF Cubs. That was I think that was 6 times. Now Aike. 3 minutes and 15 seconds on the game clock.
Now, Genesis with the ball possession at tatawagan ng foul dito ang side ng NCF Tigers.
Dahero fighting for 3. No good on that attempt by Dahero, but another chance. Pull-up jumper by Iver Punzalan. Now jersey number 8, Sutpin, out the side of the NCF Cubs. Well guarded here by Monpon Banwa. Now K-Mins fighting for 3. Top of the key, getting that clean basket on the side of the NCF Cubs. So what a shot, atin sa atin yan ng Converge. FiberX by Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated. Grabe. A clean basket. 3-pointer coming from K-Mins of the NCF Cubs. Let's take a look once again. Grabe, Rick. Let's take a look, Rick. Stops and pops for 3 and a clean basket for K-Mins of the NCF Cubs. Now this time, NCF Cubs pa rin ang nagdadalungin ng bola. Murillo, well guarded here by Dahero. In the screen by Loria. But still coming from Abache. Now Bernales going to the inside. And almost a miscue. But Monpon Banma almost getting that triple. Now K-Mins once again. Murillo. Grabe. Murillo getting that 2-pointer and a hard fall after that. Well, Murillo is back on the hard court, and Murillo will be getting the 3 points play opportunity, and I think this is a yes, the 3 points play opportunity for Murillo, and that's good. Ayun nga at natawagan doon, Rick, ng unsportsmanlike foul. Itong si jersey number 9, Monpon Banwa of the Roaring Lions. Now, ball possession pa rin dito ng Cubs. And another natawagan nga dito ng pushing foul. Itong si Bernales. Agresibo na itong dalawang teams natin as we are on the last minute mark ng ating third quarter. Grabe, back-to-back free throw opportunities for the NCF Cubs. Let's see kung makakabawi pa ba itong ating Genesis Roaring Lions. Another foul, but this time that's coming from the NCF Cubs, Sutpin.
Now ball possession ng ating Genesis Roaring Lions. 1 minute and 36 seconds remaining for our third quarter, and both teams are now on the penalty situation.
Now ganun that free throw opportunity by Punzalan. Now, NCF Cubs once again, K-Mins, well guarded by Dahero, and an 8 seconds violation by K-Mins. A good defense and a good opportunity on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Now, Monpon Banwa to Dahero. Monpon Banwa to Peña. Now Peña to Monpon Banwa with 2 seconds on the shot clock. Abache! Makakakuha nga siya ng 2 points. 1 minute and 6 seconds remaining. K-Mins, libre! Makakakuha dyan ng 2 points. And as we can see, K-Mins is down. But na-stop doon yung ating play as K-Mins having that hard fall. Our medical staff is having a check on K-Mins, and I think K-Mins is good to to go back dito sa ating hard court. Ayan, at as we can see, K-Mins hold his jaw after that fall. But for the sake of our players, the Lovieres will be checking in change of K-Mins on the side of the NCF Cubs. Now, NCF Cubs once again, Sutpin, alley-oop play, but that's no good. At Sutpin, hindi dyan papayag na hindi makapag-convert ng points. And that's good for the NCF Cubs, 46-80 in favor of our NCF Cubs. Now, Peña to Monpon Banwa with 30 seconds on the game clock and 10 seconds on the shot clock naman. Ponsalan makakakuha dyan ng 2 points layup. Now Sutpin, a long pass, but Abache with that steal and a blocking foul coming from jersey number 10 Santiago of the NCF Cubs. 15 seconds remaining on the game clock, and Abache will be getting the 2 free throws. Now shot clock is off for our third quarter.
Now, no good on that second attempt, pero offensive rebound para dito sa Genesis Roaring Lions. 11 seconds para dito sa ating third quarter. Abante pa rin dito ang ating NCF. This time naman, NCF naman ang nakabuild ng magandang momentum. So let's see on our fourth and final quarter kung NCF na ba ang makakakuha ng spot sa ating finals. Semifinals rather, or will the Genesis talagang hahabulin at kakapitan itong abanteng hawak ng NCF? Yan ang aabangan natin maya-maya dito sa ating fourth quarter.
58 milliseconds and that's off for our third quarter, 49-80. And that ends our third quarter. Diyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami for the fourth and final quarter only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And we're back for the fourth and final quarter. Lamang po ng 29 points yung ating NCF Cubs dun sa nagdaan na third quarter. Well, let's see. Since this is the decision quarter, malalaman na natin kung sino ang mag-uuwi ng spot for our final four on the semifinals. And as we can see, the NCF community is still wild dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. Parang hindi maubos yung energy, Rick. And let's see naman kung ano yung gagawing bawi dito ng ating Genesis Roaring Lions. Our official score is 78-49. 29 big points ang hawak na kalamangan dito ng ating NCF Cubs. Now Peña for the Genesis Roaring Lions. Ganahan. Double team Ganahan. Now to Punzalan. A good ball rotation with 7 seconds on the shot clock. Ganahan, well guarded here by Aike. And that expires their shot clock.
What a defense para dito sa ating NCF Cubs. Talagang inubos nila yung shot clock on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. But great steal on the side of their team. Another chance for them para dagdagan dito ang kanilang score. Tahero to Ganahan. 10 seconds to shoot. Ganahan fires for that long three. No good. Offensive rebound and a block para dito kay Villaruel.
A rejection coming from Villaruel of the NCF Cubs. Grabe talaga. Still no change of points dito sa ating fourth and final quarter.
Fires for that long three, no good. Offensive rebound para dito kay Punzalan. Wala
Still
pa din.
no good on that pull-up jumper. Borromeo with that long pass to Villaruel. Libreng-libre. Makakakuha dyan, Rick, ng 2 points. And this time, parang ready na ang ating courtside reporter na si Kyla to give us an update. Alright, so Kyla, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Jasper. We are now on the last quarter of this matchup, and the momentum continues on the side of the NCF Cubs. All the reminders of the coaches are shown during the third quarter. Na down man during the second quarter, ngunit tinatak nila sa kanilang mga utak lahat na kailangan gawin para maibalik ulit ang big advantage for their team. And for the last quarter of this game, they are reminded that they need to pour out all their effort. There's no room for complacency at kailangan na maging all out for a short win today. Well, the NCF Cubs get their ticket to the semifinal rounds. Yan ang ating dapat abangan at tutukan only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. For now, balik sa inyo, Rick and Justin.
Thank you so much, Kyla, on that update from the side of the NCF Cubs. Napakaganda nung report na ni Kyla. Will the NCF Tigers get or secure a ticket to our semifinals round? And while Kyla is reporting, nakakuha dyan ng 3 points play opportunity si Ganahan, but no good on the 3 points play opportunity. Now Aike to Santiago. And on the side naman of the Genesis Roaring Lions, handang-handa na rin ang ating courtside reporter na si Casey to give us an update. Alright, so Casey, take it away.
Rick and Jazz, after the fourth and final quarter, the Roaring Lions have to give their all for this one last push. During the previous quarter ay mukhang nahirapang humabol ang Roaring Lions. Umobo pa ang kalamangan ng Cubs. For the last stretch, it's all about teamwork now. Every pass, every shot, and every defensive stop matters. It's do or die, kaya't kailangan nilang magtulungan at magsakripisyo upang mapanatili ang kanilang pag-asa. This is their moment to rise up, kaya manatiling nakatutok dito sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey, on that update from the side naman of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Ay na nga, Rick, kailangan na ditong ibigay ng ating Genesis Roaring Lions yung kanilang 100%. They have to double nor triple their effort dito sa ating fourth and final quarter as the NCF Cubs still lead 29 points kontra dito sa ating Genesis Roaring Lions. Now Santiago to Aike. No good on that three-pointer, but by jersey number 18, De Lovieres, and a whistle. that was coming from jersey number 13, Borromeo of the NCF Cubs. Now Cayman's checking in for the NCF Cubs in change of Borromeo. And the ball possession will go on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Now Yukamko, pull-up jumper, getting the 3 points play opportunity on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Let's take a look once again, Rick. Pull-up jumper is good. Sabayan pa yan ng foul and a 3 points play opportunity for Yukamko of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Siyempre, pasalamatan na muna natin ang ating mga sponsors, Bucal sponsors, Bigs, Elite Sportswear, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, Ngo & Sons Trading, and Industries Incorporated, Procari Sweat, and 3GX ICT Solutions. Maraming salamat po.
Now, NCF Basketball, Iker passing the ball to De Lovieres. With that fast break play, De Lovieres successful on that last sequence. Now, free throw opportunity para dito sa ating Genesis Roaring Lions.
And that's good for that first attempt by Yukamko.
Another chance for them to add their score at bawasan dito ang kalamangang hawak ng ating NCF Cubs. Gajero, heavily guarded here by Cannons. Nieva. Muntik pang magawan dito, but still, traveling violation was called on the side of the Roaring Lions.
Now, K-Mains on the side of the NCF Cubs. Well-guarded K-Mains, but Ike ngayon di diretso lilipad. Grabe, Rick, lumilipad. And now, Santiago securing that 2 points. Grabe, talagang NCF Wings, Rick. Tigers can have wings. Grabe, hatid sa atin yan ng NCF Wings. Grabe tong Cubs natin. Lumilipad dito sa ating knockout match battle for K-Mains. Grabe, K-Mains getting that 3-pointer. Grabe yung momentum na nagawa nitong ating NCF Cubs. Let's take a look once again. Inbound on the corner. Grabe, natigilan na rin doon yung ating Genesis Roaring Lions after that inbound on the corner, and that's good for the 3-pointer by K-Mains, and that forces the Genesis Roaring Lions to call a timeout dito sa ating 5 minutes and 53 seconds remaining for our fourth and final quarter. A quick shout out here to Justin Calnuestro, Ashley Florendo, Renz Bessin, and Dominic Aleman. Happy viewing po sa inyong lahat. And of course, we would like to thank our media partner. We have One Media, TV 48 Naga, and Orago Sports TV, headed by our station manager, Sir Jermin Jacob, our technical director, Sir Kim Monteroso, ang napakaganda nating production administrator, we have Ma'am Irene Tosok, and syempre yung mga naggagwapuhan, nagagandahan, and nagsisipagan nating mga cameramans. We have here Sir James Gabarda, Sir James Brenya, we have here Sir Brian Tosok, and Ma'am Yela Berino. Also, ang napakagandang commentator ng ating Bucal Season 6. We have here Christine Alcanzo Reyes. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Now, NCF Basketball. Aike. Santiago, well guarded here by Monponbanwa. Now Cummins on the side of the NCF Cubs. Mauubusan sila dito ng shot clock. Now ganahan, but still coming from Aike. De Los Vieres makakakuha nga dito ng 3 points play opportunity after the foul committed by Peña of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Let's take a look once again, Rick. Grabe. Napakagandang momentum, napakagandang laro. Malapit na makakuha dito ng triple digit points itong ating NCF Tigers for the knockout match. It's win or go home, Rick. Now let's see, Monponbanwa. Now the Hero to Peña, far for 3. No good on that triple by Peña. Now De Los Vieres. No good on that layup. But here comes Monponbanwa. And it's still coming from Jacob. Jacob getting the 3 points play opportunity.
And now Jakub on that line for another free throw opportunity.
And that's good for the 3 points play opportunity by Jacob of the NCF Cubs. Now Peña for the Genesis Roaring Lions. De La Rama. Now 4 minutes remaining for our 4th and final quarter. And stepping on the line as the NCF Cubs will take that ball possession. Ayan, susunod na po ang bakbakan ng ating Naga National High School Defenders of Faith at the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. Kung sino yung mananalo dito sa bakbakan ng ating NCF Tigers or the NCF Cubs against the Genesis Roaring Lions, they will be waiting kung sino yung makakatapat nila sa ating semifinals, which is maglalaban na sunod dito. Will it be the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights or also the mid-range shooter Santiago getting that 2 points? Ayan, at De Los Vieres for the Cubs. Cummins. Now, a good ball rotation at the side of the Cubs. Villaruiz getting that pull-up jumper.
Ayan, 3 minutes and 11 seconds remaining for our game. And still, both teams are now on the penalty situation. Now, napakalaki na ng kalamangang hawak dito ng NCF Cubs. Tuloy-tuloy talaga dito ang momentum na hawak ng kanilang kupunan. They really need this game and they really need to have a spot on our Final Four.
Now, Cummins for the NCF Cubs on the corner. Santiago, that's good for 2 points. And still coming from De Lovieres. Almost a save. But jersey number 6 for the Genesis Roaring Lions will be getting that ball. Sain with that offensive rebound and at 2 points. Grabe. 4 na puntos na lang, Rick. The NCF Cubs will be getting that triple-digit points dito sa ating Bucal Season 6 for the knockout match against the Genesis Roaring Lions. Nakakakuha nga dito ng 3 points play opportunity itong si Kuwasay.
Now, opportunity will go on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Pinapababa na lang nila dito ang kalamangang hawak ng NCF Tigers because again, nabanggit mo nga kanina na 4 points away on being only 100 points para dito sa ating laro at mapapatabog nga ng timeout dito ang NCF Cubs to make sure na talagang sa kanila mapupunta ang Final Four spot. Now, 2 minutes and 12 seconds remaining para dito sa ating laro. Tutok lamang po tayo to know sino ang mananalo ngayong araw na ito at kung sino din ang best player of the game. Pasalamatan natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Naga College Foundation, Gold Gloffa Construction, ACLC Naga Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Café, Nagayan Travel and Tours, NCF V Gallery and Museum, Tigers Café, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Firing Range, and Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated and Ravenous Communications Incorporated. Ayan, back to the ball game. At tumatayo na nga paunti-unti dito ang fans ng ating NCF community. Talagang todo suporta. And now, Genesis with the ball possession. And a foul was called on Villaruel on that last sequence. So another free throw shot para dito sa ating Genesis Roaring Lions. One more time for him. And a clean basket.
Now, jersey number 15 for the NCF Cubs and out of a save. That's a save from Cummins, but that's a backcourt violation. And it's the last 2 minutes, Rick, ng ating knockout match nitong dalawang teams na ito. The top 1 seed and the top 8 seed for the juniors division. Now, Peña to De La Rama, getting that layup, and that's good for the Genesis Roaring Lions.
Ayan, quick shoutout po. Shoutout po kay Ma'am Jen Foronda. Galing po kay Ma'am Irene Tosok. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsuporta.
Now, Genesis Roaring Lions, but still coming from Cummins of the NCF Cubs. Now, they are consuming the time. And I think, Rick, nakasecure nga ng ticket itong ating NCF Cubs for our semifinals and sa ating Final Four. Now, comments still. That's a shot clock violation, but ang big margin pa rin yung hawak nila dito sa ating last minute ng ating fourth and final quarter.
So NCF back on our semifinals round. And nothing to be ashamed on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions because again kakasali lamang ng team na ito dito sa Bucal Season 6. Pero nakaabot sila sa ating quarterfinals match. So napakaganda ng ginawang journey dito ng ating Genesis Roaring Lions, and of course our Genesis Roaring Lions fans na talaga namang since day one up until this quarterfinals, andito sila para isuporta ang kanilang school. But again, NCF Cubs dominating this basketball game. 98-65 on our scoreboard, 10 seconds remaining. Santiago, no good on that attempt. And that's it. Hinihintay na lamang natin dito ang ating oras. At yun nga, 98-65 Jasper on our scoreboard. Congratulations to the Naga College Foundation Cubs for getting their ticket on our semifinals round.
And as we can see, Rick, tuwang-tuwa, masayang-masaya itong ating NCF community after that win of the NCF Cubs dito sa ating knockout match, dito sa ating quarterfinals. And now, they have secured a ticket for our semifinals. And the next game will determine kung sino yung makakatapat nila sa ating semifinals round for the Juniors Division. Ayan, dyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami para makilala ang ating best player of the game only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
our best player of the game is brought to us by Naga College Foundation, home of the champion Leap into the Future. Again, my name is Rick Puerta. And together with me is our best player of the game, wearing jersey number 11, Jake Raymond Diamante, with 15 points, 5 rebounds, 2 assists, and 5 steals. So congratulations again for your win against the Genesis, for the Genesis Roaring Lions. So ikaw ang naging best player natin ngayon sa araw na ito. Ano ba ang preparations mo dahil isa ka sa nagdala sa teams mo onto the semis?
Unang-una po, nagpapasalamat po ako sa taas at binigyan po ako ng kaisipan at lakas para mapanalo namin itong game. Tapos, nakinig lang po talaga kami kay coach para may communication kami sa loob. Tapos, ginawa lang na bumokus lang po kami sa depensa para makuha po namin yung depensa. Yun lang po.
Ayan, talagang pinakitaan mo kami ng magandang basketball action. Now, ano pa ba ang aabangan namin sa Junior Cubs sa ating papalapit na semifinal?
Abangan nyo po kami sa paparating na semifinals dahil gusto namin magiging gutom kami na tigre. Magiging gutom kami na tigre para sa inyo. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat.
Ayan, talagang aabangan natin dito at let's see kung maibabalik ba natin sa NCF ang title dito sa Bucal Season 6. Now, I will give you the floor to shout out all the supporters na tumutok ngayon sa game nyo.
Una-una po, nagpapasalamat po kay Pres Mario at binigyan nyo po ako ng pagkakataon para makapaglaro dito. At shoutout po sa family ko sa Legazpi, si Mama, si Papa, si Ate, si Kuya, shoutout din po. At shoutout po sa mga friends ko doon sa Yawa, Legazpi City. Tapos, shoutout, salamat po sa sa NCF community sa walang sawang suporta sa amin. Tapos shoutout po sa girlfriend ko po. Yun.
Ayan, talagang napakaganda ng ipinakita sa atin ng NCF and Genesis. Again, our best player of the game, none other than Diamante. And our best player of the game brought to us by Naga College Foundation, home of the champion, Live into the Future.
And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Nakilala na ka natin ang ating best player of the game sa bakbakan ng ating NCF Cubs. And of course, ang ating Genesis Roaring Lions. Congratulations for both of these teams, especially sa ating Genesis Roaring Lions na first team nila, first salang nila for Bucal and nakaabot agad sila for the
Quarterfinals round.
Ayan.
Napakaganda talaga ng bakbakan dito sa Bucal Season 6 at maya-maya abangan natin ang isa pang quarterfinals, knockout quarterfinals only here at Oragon Sports TV. Again, my name is Rick Puerta.
And I am Jasper Abante. Maraming salamat din po sa ating lovely ladies on the court side. We have Kyla and Casey. This is Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.